Wheat farming secrets for highest profit summary. This is your blueprint for wheat farming prosperity. And these are sustainable techniques that increase yields by 45% while cutting costs by 40%. Let's consolidate these comprehensive conservation agriculture practices into a clear blueprint transforming your wheat operation from marginal profitability to genuine prosperity through integrated, sustainable practices. Here are the foundation pillars. 3 pillars of conservation agriculture success builds on minimum mechanical soil disturbance, that is eliminating or drastically reducing tillage, ideally transitioning to no-till. Permanent soil cover, that is maintaining between 40 to 60% surface residue cover year-round through crop residue and cover crops. And crop rotation, that is alternating wheat with legumes and other crops. These 3 pillars work synergetically. Each amplifies benefits of others. Practice number 1. Implement no-till or minimum till. Transition progressively. Reduce tillage intensity year 1. Move to strip till or minimum till year 2. Adopt no-till year 3 plus. Initial fuel savings of between 30 to 40% from reduced tillage expand to 50 to 70% in no-till. Equipment adaptation or investment in no-till drills enables transition. Benefits include fuel, labor, service savings of between $60 to $100 per hectare. Improved soil structure, moisture conservation, and organic matter building. Practice 2. Strategic crop rotation. Implement at minimum 2-year wheat legume rotation, providing pest interruption, nitrogen fixation, reducing fertilizers costs by between 40 to 70% in post-legume wheat, income diversification, and soil health building. More complex 2 to 3-year retentions multiply benefits. Replace bare furrow with nitrogen-fixing cover crops, providing between $100 to $200 per hectare value for between $30 to $50 in investment. Practice number 3. Precision nutrient management. Soil test establishing actual facility status. Calculate nitrogen requirements, crediting soil supply and legume contributions. Split nitrogen applications between 30 to 50% at planting and 50 to 70% top dress at tillering. And band place phosphorus and potassium near seed rows. Typical result is 20 to 40% fertilizer cost reduction, which is equals to between $40 to $100 per hectare, while maintaining or increasing yields. Practice number 4. Integrated weed management. Enhance crop competitiveness through optimal populations, narrow rows, vigorous varieties, and proper nutrition, suppressing weeds culturally. Scout regularly using economic thresholds. Apply herbicides at optimal timing on small weeds and rotate herbicide chemistries, preventing resistance. Herbicide cost reductions of between 40 to 60%, that is between $30 to $60 per hectare, are typical. Practice number 5. Moisture conservation. Retain 40 to 60% surface residue coverage. reducing evaporation by 30 to 50%, improve infiltration through soil structure, and eliminate unnecessary tillage during fallow periods. The results? 30 to 60% improved water use efficiency, especially critical during drought years when conservation fields out-yield conventional between 30 to 50%. Number 6, practice integrated pest management. Select resistant varieties. Implement crop rotation, breaking pest cycles. Scout regularly using economic thresholds for treatment decisions. And avoid prophylactic pesticide applications. Pesticide cost reductions of between 50 to 75%, which equals to between $30 to $60 per hectare, while maintaining or even improving pest control. Practice number 7, harvest and post-harvest optimization. Time harvest at between 13 to 15% moisture. Optimize combine settings, minimizing losses and damage. Dry grain promptly if needed. Store in proper facilities and monitor regularly. Preventing typical 8 to 12% post-harvest losses effectively increases marketable production by between 8 to 12% at zero additional production costs. The transformation, this is expected results. Farmers implementing comprehensive conservation agriculture over 3 to 5 years consistently report this: yields increases of between 20 to 45% from between 2.5 to 3.0 tons to between 3.2 to 4.0 tons per hectare typical. Tillage cost reductions of between 60 to 80% through eliminated operations equals to between $60 to $100 per hectare savings. Fuel consumption reduction of between 50 to 70%, that is between 30 to 50 liters per hectare savings. Fertilizer cost reductions of between 20 to 40% through improved efficiency and legume nitrogen, that is equals to between 40 to 100% dollars per hectare savings. Herbicide cost reduction of between 40 to 60% through rotation and IWM. This equals to between 30 to 60% per hectare savings. Pesticide cost reduction of between 50 to 70% through IPM. This equals between $30 to $60 per hectare savings. Total production cost reductions of between 25 to 40%. Net income improvements of between 150 to 250%. Improved drought resistance of between 30 to 50%. Better performance during dry years. Enhanced soil health compounding productivity. Improvements over decades. Environmental benefits through erosion prevention, carbon sequestration, and reduced chemical use. A 100-hectare farm implementing these practices transforms from conventional results of 2.8 tons per hectare times 100 hectare times $250 per ton equals to $700,000 revenue minus $45,000 costs. This equals to $25,000 profit to conservation agriculture results. That is 3.6 tons per hectare times 100 hectare times $250 per ton equals to $90,000 revenue minus $30,000 cost equals to $60,000 profit. That one is a 140% profit improvement from identical land through better management. Here is your call to action. Begin your transformation today. You now possess comprehensive knowledge that millions of wheat farmers worldwide use to transform operations and multiply profits. But knowledge without action changes nothing. This week, do assessment and planning. Work fields, observing current soil health, erosion and residue cover. Calculate actual costs and yields from previous seasons, establishing baseline. Identify 3 biggest opportunities for improvement. Research no-till equipment options and costs. Connect with successful conservation agriculture farmers in your region. This month, do preparation. Begin learning about no-till implementation through agricultural extension resources, online materials, and farmer experiences. Plan crop rotation for next 3 to 5 years. Investigate machinery sharing or custom hiring for specialized equipment. Start planning reduced tillage transition. Next season, initiate implementation. Begin reducing tillage intensity. Eliminate moldboard plow. Reduce secondary tillage. Implement 2-year rotation if currently in monoculture. Increase residue retention. Stop burning. Reduce tillage incorporation. Begin systematic soil testing and precision facility. Track results carefully, documenting yields, costs, observations. Subsequent seasons, do optimization. Continue transition towards no-till. Expand rotation complexity. Implement cover crops. Refine nutrient management. Fully adapt IPM and progress toward complete conservation agriculture system. Benefits compound as soil health improves and management skills develop. Your community engagement. Like this video if this comprehensive guide has revealed wheat farming possibilities, transforming your understanding of what is achievable. Your like helps YouTube share this knowledge with more farmers globally. Comment below, sharing your current wheat farming situation and biggest challenges. Struggling with low yields, high input costs, soil degradation, drought vulnerability. Share your story. Your comments create valuable community dialogue, helping everyone learn. Share this video widely throughout wheat farming networks. Send links via emails, WhatsApp, Facebook, farming forums, and agricultural cooperatives. Every farmer implementing conservation agriculture multiplies global food security and rural prosperity. Subscribe to this channel and click notification bell. We publish comprehensive agricultural guides, troubleshooting videos, advanced techniques, and farmer success stories weekly. Contents potentially adding thousands to your annual income. Return regularly because agriculture continuously evolves. New research, refined techniques, and innovative solutions emerge constantly. Consistent learning separates continuously improving farmers from those stuck with outdated methods. In conclusion, your wheat farming prosperity awaits. We have journeyed through comprehensive conservation agriculture practices with documented potential to increase wheat yields between 20 to 45% while reducing costs by between 25 to 40%, transforming wheat farming from financial struggle to genuine prosperity. These are not theories. They are proven practices millions of farmers implement successfully. Conservation agriculture's power lies in synergetic integration. Minimum tillage provides foundation. Permanent cover protects and enriches. Rotation diversifies and interrupts pests. Precision management optimizes inputs. Each practice amplifies every other practice, creating results far exceeding isolated improvements. Most exciting is conservation agriculture's accessibility. You don't need massive capital. You don't need advanced degrees or ideal conditions. You need knowledge, and now you have. Commitment is your choice. Systematic implementation requiring discipline and patience. There is understanding that transition takes between 3 to 5 years seasons. Every successful conservation farmer started exactly where you are. Your wheat operation stands at a threshold. Continue conventional approaches, accepting conventional results and watching soil degrade while profits erode. Or commit to conservation agriculture, implementing it systematically and beginning transformation that unfolds over 3 to 5 years as soil rebuilds and systems stabilize. 1 year from now, you will be amazed at progress. Perhaps tillage costs dropped to 60%. By 60%, fertilizer costs decreased by 30%, yields increased by 25%, and most importantly, net profit doubled. Millions of wheat farmers worldwide have transformed their operations through conservation agriculture. Join them. You have the roadmap, knowledge, and opportunity. Take action right now. Assess your situation this week. Plan your transition this month. Implement next season. Optimize continuously. Transform your wheat farming, building prosperous agriculture future you deserve. Your prosperous wheat farming future awaits. The knowledge is yours. The opportunity is clear. The choice is yours. Go forth with confidence. Implement these practices. Achieve extraordinary results. Return to share your success story with all of us, cheering your prosperity. Remember, like this video, comment with your story and commitments, share with wheat farmers networks, subscribe for weekly agricultural education, and turn on notifications. Your engagement transforms not just your farm, but entire agricultural communities worldwide. Together, we are building a global movement of prosperous, sustainable farmers, proving that with knowledge and commitment, agricultural prosperity is achievable to everyone. Welcome to your wheat farming transformation. Let's make it extraordinary. Thank you.